My name is Emily Bray, and this is one of my Design and Technologies completion videos for my Log of Learning activities for 2013 EDN Technologies Education. For this task, I was required to create a design solution for an egg drop off a second-story balcony. The egg needed to be dropped onto a hard surface and not break. In my initial design, I created a capture for the egg out of an empty butter container. I used tissues for padding inside the container and used rubber bands and a string to attach a plastic bag parachute. I thought the first trial was unsuccessful for two reasons. Firstly, the tissues did not provide adequate padding around the egg. Secondly, the plastic bag did not open up enough to catch the air. As a result, it dropped too quickly and hit the ground too hard. Based on this evaluation, I made certain adjustments for the second trial. I wrapped the egg in bubble wrap to provide additional padding. I also cut slits in both sides of the plastic bag so that it would open up wider to catch more air when it was dropped. This was aimed at slowing the descent for a softer landing. The adjustments I made to my design were successful, as I was able to drop the egg from a second story onto a hard surface without it breaking. This task would be ideal for a grade 3 or 4 class, as it matches the Knowledge and Understanding Curriculum Descriptor ACTDEK 011. In this case, we are working with a product design solution and experimenting with a range of materials to see which ones will protect the egg. Two of the content elaborations for this descriptor also match the egg drop task. For this task, I was experimenting with local materials from around my home, like a butter container, rubber bands and plastic bags, and considering the properties of these materials. For example, in the first trial, I was investigating the effectiveness of the tissues as a form of padding, as I was uncertain if they would hold the egg still or allow it to move and break.